Coming up in today's video, I give you 10 benefits for wearing mini braids on your natural hair. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. Welcome and welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel, checking out my content. Once again, coming at you with another mini braids for growth on your natural hair video. Hope you enjoy this one. So as you know, over the last year, I've been wearing mini braids on my hair to grow it long, healthy and strong, and I've learned quite a few of the benefits of it, and I wanted to share with you in this video some of the benefits of wearing mini braids as a protective style to grow your natural hair. So the very first benefit of wearing mini braids to grow your natural hair is that it's time saving. So although the installation might not be the quickest depending on your hair length, over time, as you wear this as a protective style, you will find that you have more time on your hands because you don't have to think about daily styling your hair. It's really convenient and helps with busy schedule. If you're a mom, if you go to work, if you go to balance school, mini braids is a great style that you can wear and not think about styling your natural hair. The next benefit is that it's suitable for all hair types. Now, mini braids I'm wearing on my 4B, 4C hair, but you can do mini braids on any type of hair. All you'd have to do is make sure that you secure the ends of your hair. If you've got a looser texture natural hair, such as 3A or 3B, make sure that you secure it with some sort of elastic band or some gel or some beeswax at the end so that it doesn't unravel. But overall, it's suitable for all hair types. It can be done on natural and relaxed and even textured hair. So that's another benefit of wearing mini braids to grow your natural hair. Do go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you've not done so. It really helps this video a lot, and also give this video a like, and when you have subscribed, do go ahead and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much once again. I really appreciate all the support that you're showing me here on this channel. The next benefit of wearing mini braids on your natural hair is that it's low heat. You don't have to think about straightening your hair, blow drying your hair, or doing any of that sort of styling when you have mini braids in, because it's such a get up and go style. It's a great option to minimize heat damage. You don't have to be trying to manipulate your hair or trying to get your hair to be straightened with the mini braids. And that's another thing, it also shows off your length. So if you always wanting to show off your length, if you have your hair in mini braids, it sort of gives that straightened hair look, if you know what I mean. So that's one of the other benefits of why I love to use mini braids on my natural hair. So the benefits we've covered so far is that it saves you time. We've covered that it can be done on any hair texture, and we've also just talked about the fact that you don't need lots of heat. The next benefit for wearing mini braids is that it's comfortable. Mini braids are lightweight and they're comfortable compared to putting in synthetic hair on your scalp. We all know that feeling just after we've returned from the hairdressers, right? And our hair scalp is so tight, it's hurting so much because we have synthetic hair, because it's just so much tension on our scalp that we can't be comfortable. Mini braids on your natural hair, your own 4B, 4C, whatever texture hair, is much more comfortable than getting it done with synthetic hair. The next benefit of wearing mini braids on your natural hair to grow it long for me is that it is affordable compared to, once again, buying the hair. And it depends on which store you are, which part of England you are, or wherever in the world you are, to find that store with the best price to get the hair to get done. And then you probably don't get the best deal and you feel bad for missing out the deal of getting a good deal on extensions. Mini braids cuts out all of that. You're using your own natural hair to grow it long, healthy and strong, and so you don't have to think about buying any hair. You literally just treat your hair well enough, you'll be able to have a beautiful hair to be braided all by itself. It doesn't need anything added. And just another thing here, my hair is not the thickest, it's about medium density, so sometimes you can be a little bit self-conscious that you're wearing mini braids and they look stringy. The good news is, over time, after wearing mini braids on your natural hair to grow it, you will see the thickness in your hair, and then over time, you will see the thickness in your natural hair return. The next benefit of wearing mini braids for myself is that they are easy to accessorize. And at this point, I will pause and say, go ahead and check out my playlist on this channel. I do have several mini braids for growth playlists. Do check them out. I've also got styling tips and different style suggestions for wearing mini braids. So go ahead and check out my playlist where you will see detailed information on how to use mini braids to grow your natural hair. But yeah, you can use mini braids to style your hair in whatever style. Think of this as a base style. Think of it as having your hair loose. You literally can do anything from curling your mini braids, which you've seen me do on this channel, to styling it with accessory, to dressing it up for weddings, graduation, and any other special occasion that you may have. You can literally turn mini braids into whatever you want them to be. Once again, do go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you've not done so. I'm making videos on this channel about how to grow your natural hair in 2023. I've just created a brand new playlist called How to Grow Your Natural Hair in 2023. So you want to check that playlist out. I'll be adding to that weekly, daily, and you'll be up to date if you also hit the notification bell. So do go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. We've touched on the fact that mini braids are great for accessorizing. No, it's just a great protective style. That's another benefit. Mini braids over mini twists and any other protective style that I've used on my hair, including using crochet braids, which I did for about 2 years. Mini braids by far is the best protective style I have found. The reason being is that I wore mini braids for one of my last challenges for up to 22 weeks. Within that time, I had direct access to my hair. I could wash it, I could apply things to the scalp, etc. And I could treat my natural hair. I can't do that if it's in certain protective styles, such as crochet braids. If it's in mini twists and I wash it too often, then for my particular hair texture, it gets quite matted. But mini braids minimizes all of those problems, and so I think that overall mini braids is the best protective style. It's a great long-term protective style. It protects your hair from damage, from breakage, and it's a great option for making your hair look beautiful and look longer to me, and it's just a great way of showing off your natural hair. So some of the benefits so far: it's affordable, it's comfortable, it's suitable for all hair types, it's low heat, it saves you time, it's quite a versatile hairstyle, it's a great protective style. The final benefit of wearing mini braids on your natural hair is that it is low maintenance. Once you've installed your mini braids, don't get me wrong, you do need to have a routine for doing your scalp, doing your hair ends, and sealing it, making sure that your hair is quite clean. But apart from that, it's quite low maintenance. You will really have a hands-off approach when you have mini braids installed. It requires very, very little upkeep, and if they're installed really well, I say try to get the parts to look quite even and actually install them quite neatly so that you're able to style it in lots of different styles without being too conscious. Not sometimes like what you've seen me do on this channel, because sometimes I know I'm just gonna be wearing my hair in braids for the next 8 weeks and it's going to be in a bun, and so I just put them in. But if you are someone that's quite conscious of styling your hair and making sure the parts are even, do in the first place installing mini braids using straight parts and you will have no problem. So once again, do go ahead and check out the playlist section of my channel where I've organized the information there for you to be able to follow along any one of my playlists, any one of my challenges, to be able to use mini braids to grow your natural hair. I hope you've enjoyed today's video where I've covered the benefits of wearing mini braids on your natural hair to grow it long, healthy and strong. Remember, in 2023, that is our aim on this channel. We're going to be growing our hair. If you see my last 2 videos, my last one, they're showing you my length check, and my one before that setting hair goals, you will know that this year we are just focused on growing our natural hair. So once again, check out those 2 videos. My last 2 videos will give you lots of information of how to grow your natural hair as well. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and God bless.